repaired. Is that stop sign that fell down and I helped you get fixed. That trash can that was broken that we got replaced. Or any one of those 11,000, and I counted, 11,000 emails I've sent over the last year and a half to residents helping them with their issues. Helping government work for the people of the city of Alexandria is the most enjoyable thing. That's the reason I want to be reelected. That's the reason I need your support on January 31st at the caucus. That's the reason if I'm successful in the caucus, I'm going to need your support on May 5th. That's the reason I need your money. That's the reason I need your volunteer time. That's the reason I need anything that you can do. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for showing the support that you have. And let's go win this thing. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.